Have you ever wondered why we plant native seed in the winter?
Most native seeds need a cold stratification process in order to break dormancy and germinate. Some species also require this process to wear down a protective exterior seed coat. During a natural cycle, seeds usually drop from the parent plants with the hope of eventually coming in contact with the soil. Seed is then exposed to the cold, moist temperatures in the winter, where they undergo repeated freezing and thawing conditions that slowly wear away the coat while working the seed further into the soil. Many native plants cannot germinate or sprout without this step and will remain dormant until the proper conditions for growth occur. You can even sow the seeds over snow. It is best, however, to pick a day when the snow is soft or melting to entrap the seeds in the snow, working it into the soil.